In this video, you will learn how you can apply to different job posts and easily get more response. So I'm primarily using LinkedIn here. So what I'm doing here is I'm using AI, and I have given data to AI, and I'm asking it to generate messages which I can say share it and send to people who are hiring online. It can be any other website as well, but for example, for your reference, I'm using LinkedIn here. So as you can see, there are a lot of openings. If you want to work as a freelancer, maybe you are a freelancer, maybe you are an agency owner, maybe you are an employee, right? You might be seeking another job change, or maybe you as a freelancer or an agency owner, or maybe a person who is working in an agency, you're looking for new clients. So this process works across the board. I primarily use this process to generate leads for my businesses as a freelancer and a content agency company, right? So what I do here is I go and check all the opening in LinkedIn. Then I reach out to these companies and I tell them that why are you looking to hire a company, whereas you can hire me as a freelancer, or maybe hire my company as a contract agency on a consultation basis, or maybe a contractual basis, so you do not have any liability of, when you're hiring an employee, you take on the liability, but when you're hiring a freelancer or a contractual or maybe a contractor, you can terminate the work contract, or the work anytime. So what I've done here is I have my filter here. I'm searching for all the job posts given here. So I've made a sheet here. It's a very simple sheet, and I put command for Claude. You can use Claude, you can use Bard, you can use ChatGPT. And please to understand, whenever you're applying and when you want to reach out to, so primarily my target is, what do I do here is, for example, this company is looking to hire on site, right? So I do not typically apply here, click on this, because it takes a lot of time to apply and it's a waste of time, to be honest. So what I do here is I try to find out, this is senior digital marketing specialist, it is on site. Therefore they are looking for on site employees, but for me as a freelancer and a contractor, my concern is to reach out to these people, the decision maker, and basically convince them for a meeting where I convince them that rather than hiring an employee, you can outsource the work to me, and I will work for you as a freelancer, and you do not have to take the headache, and you pay me the salary, or you give me the money that you are paying as a salary to an employee. So this is how I am getting my clients, and it works for me. So it can work for you as well. So in this situation, what I'm doing here is I'm clicking on this. This is easy apply, so I will do this. Typically no one cares, no one looks at it, maybe very few, and you might get very few response, because typically hundreds and hundreds of people apply through these position, but when you're doing the same thing which other people are doing, the response is going to be the same. So 6 applicants have applied here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to put it here, right? So then I'm going to copy this, and this is my command. This is my command for email if I have to send them an email, and this is for the connect message, which I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here, and then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open his profile, Alishan Ghanchi. I'm going to open his profile and I'm going to click on connect. A lot of people are not going to accept it, few are going to accept it, and once they accept it, what you're going to do here is you're going to continue the conversation. That is what you want, right, when you are doing cold outreach. So this is, for example, these are the messages that I send them, and some I keep on testing and try to figure out what message is going to work for them. So you have to make it personalized, right? If you are sending them generic messages, it won't work. So this is the output that I've got. The word limit when you're sending a connect message is approximately 300 characters, but when we convert it to words, it is around 40 words or 35 words or 45 words. So right now I'm here you can see the name is given here, hi Alishan, hi Alishan. So it is personalized, right? Hi Alishan, I'm experienced remote blah falana 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 blah 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 blah. I can efficiently manage your digital marketing for okay from Kolkata as advertised salary. My skills alignment looks sounds pretty smart, and I'm not doing anything, the AI is doing the work for me. Let's connect. So if it is not there, if it's not coming within the 300 characters, I'm going to delete it, then I'm going to send the message. So typically the hit rate is, once they are accepting or connecting with me, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to continue the conversation and try to get a meeting, and then try to convert them as a client. So if you are able to do it easily, you can reach out to more people. So this is how you can automate the whole process altogether using AI. And let's see another. I'm not going to apply here, and also I'm going to apply here, because let's do it fast, right? Next, next. Okay, submit. Now what I'm going to do, this is the typical thing which most people do, and after that they just forget, they just wait. And you can't just wait, so you have to use, if for example there is a mail ID here, so I'm also going to show you how you can write an email ID as well. So here what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change it, and then I'm going to run these two commands. So this is for the connect message. So I'm going to open up his I'm going to close this. I'm going to open up his profile here. What I'm seeing here is, let me just check. So here you can see a personalized message has been generated, so already pending. So I've sent him message, so I'm not going to disturb it anymore, but I have the email ID here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to send him an email. So right now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to generate a email for him. So I'm going to copy paste and run this command. You can use Claude, Bard, ChatGPT, anything. Here you go, it's giving me the details and everything. So as you can see, it's very short, precise, and looks very nice, but I have to eliminate this. And that's about it. Very interesting stuff. So this is how you can use this. So if you find this useful, if you want this command here, this is very simple. What I've done here is, this is the command that I've put up here. So I've used this, a job description will come up here, and this is the command that I'm using. Very simple and easy. If you want this, I'll put this in the description below, you can check it. And if you want these kind of videos, or if you found this video useful, please let me know in the comment section below. So I'll be using I'll be making more of these videos. Thank you. Bye.